Hi, this is Brian Reese with Media Solutions here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And today we're going to talk to you about how to add a green screen to your AI generated design, removing the background and then adding a green screen so that you can add it to a video that you're creating. Let's do that now. Well, the first thing we need to do is take the image into the photo editor of your choice. The one I'm going to use is called Photoshop. There's several ways you can remove the background. The one we're going to use is the Select Subject tool. What you do is go ahead and you click one of these guys over here, the lasso tool, and then just go ahead and say Select Subject. Well, don't say Select Subject. Click Select Subject. And in a few seconds, it actually selects the entire thing, even under the arm and everywhere else. Then we go over here so that just in case we need to make some changes and adjustments, we'll go ahead and add a vector mask. Now that we've added a vector mask, what we can do is go ahead and add this to a larger screen. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Go ahead and open up a new one. And I'm going to do 2000 by 2000. Go ahead and create. Now what I want to do is go ahead and get the move tool and drag her into the new scene. I know it has a background, but we can remove that here. And take that off. Let's go ahead and hit clicking on the image. Go ahead and click Control T. And you can make it any size you want. We're going to go ahead and drag it up. Pull her to the side since we have an arm that's kind of bent, that has no elbow. Okay, we can go ahead and make that a little bigger, a little larger. Now, go ahead and click the key there, the check mark. Then go ahead and open up here it has a circle. We don't want the circle, we want the square. We want a rectangle. Taking the rectangle and dragging it straight across, down and straight across. Okay, go ahead and make the changes to the color. Not any green, it has to be a dark green. That's about right there. If you want to, you can take these numbers down. So this is about right here. Make it a little darker. Maybe not that dark, a little lighter. Okay, looking good. Go ahead and do this. Of course, the screen's going to turn green. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click the layers key. We're going to go ahead and put this behind her. Now she has a green screen behind her. So let's go ahead and save this and export it to another file, because we're going to open it up in D-id and animate her. Let's go ahead and open up the animating program. It's D-id.ai. Okay, we'll go ahead and open up by hitting the key here. I want to go ahead and bring in the image you just created on green screen. All right, go ahead and bring that in. There she is, Miss America. Go ahead and bring her in. It goes ahead and creates a program for her. All right, so next thing we need to do is I need to give her a voice, so we can add that to this also, if you haven't already done this. Let's go ahead and do this part. I'm going to go ahead and go to Speechelo. Just put in some words for her. to speak. Okay, this is only a test. It's only practice. I think I spelled that right. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look over here. We can choose a voice. Since she's a woman, we do want a woman's voice. Let's go ahead and add a woman's voice. Now you can add as much text as you like here. I'm just putting in one line. So we'll go ahead and use Summer, see how she sounds. We can go ahead and preview the voice.
This is only a practice.
I don't like that one too much. So let's go ahead down to the next one. Let's check out Rosie. Hey, Rosie.
This is only a practice.
This is a preview.
It's not too bad.
For
We'll use that one. Then once you've got it, we go ahead and generate the voice. It has been generated. And it has, I'm getting ready to download it to my system here. I don't need any background music. All right. Go back over to the D-id program and hit audio. Go ahead and click where it says upload your voice, your own voice. It won't be my own voice. Hope not. Hope I don't sound like that. Anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. It will be in my downloads. Okay, and it is in my downloads. Go ahead and click on it and hit open, or you can double click it and it opens. It only took a couple of seconds to generate. Now what we want to do is go ahead and generate the video. And generate. The reason why I kept the camera on is because it only takes a couple of seconds.
This is only a practice.
Okay, only practice. Let's go ahead and close that out. Actually, it's downloaded first, so we don't lose it. Alrighty then, close that out. This is actually fun. It really doesn't take very long to generate something. But if you're creating if you're creating a movie or you're creating a scene, it takes a little longer because you have to write out the scene. You have to make sure everything's in place, make sure the background's right, make sure the lighting's right, make sure they're in the right place. Now that we've generated that, let's go ahead and take it to a video editing program. The one I'm going to use is called Movavi. Movavi, oh, Movavi, oh, 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 oh. I'm only singing that because I'm waiting for this to come up. Okay, now that we've gotten there, we're going to go ahead and launch my video edit video, which would be nice. Do it on the right screen, it'll actually work. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and edit the video. I'm going to put a background in it, a moving background. Let's go ahead and add file. Sorry, it opened up over there. Let's go ahead and add a file. Click there. I'll go over here to downloads again. Open this one up and she should be there. Then we drag her down to the scene. Put her in the scene, by the scene, through the scene, around the scene. Put her in the scene. Okay, I don't want to change anything. I want to leave it just like it is. Don't change. Love you just the way you are. Now the next thing I want to do is go ahead and get a background. Well, actually first, we'll have to do this anyway. We're going to go ahead and add a video track. I always add an audio track also, just in case I want to put some music behind it. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Just click that button and then click add audio track. All right, so we got audio track underneath it and we have a video track above it. So let's go ahead and add a video. I get a lot of my videos from Storyblocks. We're going to go ahead and get this one from there too. You get access to thousands and thousands of videos that you can use in your projects. I'm going to go ahead and say office. So I want an office moving around doing some things with some activity going on. Doesn't have to be a lot. This actually will look decent. I'm going to go ahead and download that as an MP4. Download that puppy. Okay, we'll go back over to the editing program. and drag it in from my downloads page. Drag it in from my downloads page. Okay, now that we drag that into from the downloads page, close out these other ones, get them out of my way. Okay, what we'll do is go ahead and drag this down. We want it on top. I do want it on top. Actually, we want it on bottom. Let's go ahead and drag this to the top. Okay. Now what we're going to do is go ahead to other sources and click the Chrome key. Click the Chrome key. Go ahead and drag this over here. Takes away the background. Let's go ahead and just start playing.
This is only a practice.
Pretty cool, huh? Probably should have given her more words, but we're going to go ahead and just duplicate this by hitting Control, holding down Control and Alt at the same time. Drag it over. And do it one more time. Control and Alt. Drag it to the right. We can get a few more seconds out of this.
This is only a practice. This is only a practice. This is only a practice.
And just in case you didn't understand what she just said, this is only a practice. Thank you very much for watching. That's how you add a green screen. That's how you add a green screen. That's how you add one of your projects to a video and create a quick video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great weekend. I hope that you learned what you needed to know from this particular training, how to add a green screen to your AI generated design. Have a great day. Until next time, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and smash that button right now. Thank you and have a great day. Great weekend. Bye-bye.